Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to talk about audiences. Audiences are a feature in Expiration reminder that allows you to create groups of content. Okay, so you have your contact set up here, or your companies over here too. They all have a name, email, right? They belong to a specific location. So you have a lot of fields here to populate for your contacts, even custom fields, right? But what if you want to create a group of these people depending on a specific rule? And let's see what we can do with those audiences. So let's go to our settings here and let's go to manage over here and let's go to audiences. In audiences, you can see that I have multiple audiences. If you create a new audience here, you can put the name over here and the description and what type of audience this is, a contact or a company, right? So after you create the audience, you will get this configuration screen where you can set up how this audience works. For example, this audience here, I can set up now a rule for this audience, and I can say this audience is composed, everyone are in this location. Now, everyone who is within this location belongs to this audience. Now, if I click save and I click on new members here, then I'm going to see that only this person is in this location. Let's change it and let's add another one here. And let's say this one is for Hospital West End. Let's save it. And now if I click on view members, it's going to show me everyone with this location. So now I have all of this. Okay. Now, if I choose document type here and maybe everyone who has a CPR certificate in the pro, save here. And I'm going to click on view members. And then only it show me people who has that CPR certificate on the pro. So now I'm seeing everyone who has a CPR certificate. Okay. So you can set up these audiences depending on specific rules that you want to create audiences. Every time you create a contact that has a CPR, it will automatically be included in the audience. You remove that CPR, it will be automatically excluded from the audience. And the same for locations. If you add it with a specific location, it will be added to the audience. If you remove location, it will be removed from the audience automatically. So now what you can do with the audiences. So let's go here to conversations, for example, the main box. And I want to send a new message. And if I select here message type, I can say email or SMS, and I can say here to whom I want to send it. And I can choose here an audience. I can send it to that CPR audience, meaning then that everyone is within that audience will get that notification, that email. I don't have to worry about to check and maintain that group because it gets maintained automatically. Remember, it's a dynamic. So everyone who is within that audience at the moment that I send the message will receive the message. Here's the all contacts audience, audiences by RN, or you can set it to individual people. But now you can use audiences for this. Very powerful. What else you can do with audiences? You can use audiences for escalation rules. So if you have an escalation rule here that it will send to 5 people, let's say 5 days, you can choose an audience here to send it. There you go here and the CPR, and it will send it to those audiences. Audiences are also used for policies. If you go to compliance, policies, and when you create an attachment here and send a policy, you can choose an audience. So this policy needs to be for all contacts or for people within the CPR, for example. So audience can be used in different situations within the application. Very powerful because they are dynamic. Thank you. And remember to subscribe to get more videos on this.